Hello Wilson, how's your hexagon light working?
Hello Eddie, all good. They are perfect. The only problem is they are too popular. I can see the hexagon lights everywhere. My shop is not the special one.
Okay Wilson, let me show you some new connectors. We can use the new connectors to make some new shapes. The starburst lighting kit, the diamond lighting kit, and the heart lighting kit, the prism lighting kit, and we can make more different shapes.
Nice, that's what I want. Please send me the price one by one. I will choose them.
Light up your workshop. Find some star.